Here is Matrix Protect Service, Matrix Pro Reliable Protect. So just open up this app, and then you can install your VPN configurations, enter your passcode, install those in your phone. Then you can just select locations. There are 3 free servers here: United States, France, and Germany. Then there are some fast premium servers. You can see UK, Australia, Japan, Canada, Poland, Germany, which you can explore. And then you can just tap disconnected, and then if you want to connect again, you just need to watch some ad, because this is a free version. And then you just see connecting, and then you will see VPN in top right, this like button, and then it kind of disappears, and then yeah, you're kind of connected. So this is kind of one of those free VPN apps. If you want to upgrade, you can see which are options here, just like if you want to have a faster connection, if you want to have more geographical locations, then 3 days free, then $8 per week. So yeah, that's one of the apps you can try out, and then you can easily disconnect like that.